In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, a word of encouragement from an unlikely source.
TVJ's Ray of Hope. At this intersection, and possibly every intersection across Kingston, men earn a living by cleaning windscreens. And at these stoplights at the intersection of Waterloo, Trafalgar, and Hope Roads, these men compete with timing of the lights and the willingness of motorists to earn a dollar or two. But while it's clear why they're here, what is not is the fact that some of them wish they didn't have to resort to the streets to earn a living. Delmar Smith, known by his colleagues as Pucker, is one such individual. He has been cleaning windscreens for over 5 years.
It really helped me out still, a lot, because I can't get no job, key out my try,
Christopher Gaynor, Bootmice as his friends call him, has been doing it for 3 years.
I use some local son go school still, I use to maintain the local family and cook some food and local JPS light buy your tide same way.
Bookmice says he prefers to do this than steal.
Since the local road on a 3 mile mash up, I have to come up right so come look the bread same way. While more man say out 3 mile mash up, they might look somebody think for thief or they might look a phone for grab. Me not go lie for work so hard and buy my thing and the next man come thief it from me.
But while both believe in making an honest living, they say this way of life attracts heavy discrimination.
The people them look down and way, wiping car glass, them say we're a crook, we're a cokehead, we're a thing, thief, robber, everything,
It's growing hard. Enough people have it so when them see we pass and I make a local dollar, them think a whole heap of money we make. No, I mean a whole heap of money. We still give thanks to them give away. Because if everybody pass and say no, we not make a dollar. We go dead for hungry because we not a proper job. We say yo, if them not give, we can go back and work. Right now, I'm glad if me have a job right now.
And according to them, more and more youths are flocking the streets wanting to earn quick money.
Them just cheer and follow them, see the bigger one like we come in the world of money and we just come out of ease and get it to them. And just follow and say them, come out here.
They're dissuading them.
More of them stay in school because more and something good for them. More of them to get an education and come out to something good in life.
And the whole of the full up here say, nah, go make sense. And the people them don't say, yo, we don't wipe them glass already and some people wine up, some man back them gun power out here. So if them come and see them treatment, so better them stay in school.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.